1. Solutions are preferred for enhanced security and privacy by the users. A. Public cloud. B. Private cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. D. None of above. Answer B. 2. Is the example of IaaS cloud computing. A. Amazon Web Services as EC2. B. Microsoft Azure VM. C. Google Compute Engine GCE. D. All of above. Answer D. 3. It helps in human efforts. A. Removing. B. Reducing. C. Increasing. D. Stopping. Answer B. 4. IoT devices can collect data from A. Environment. B. Internet. C. Books. D. Documents. Answer A. 5. Is the primary factor in automation, which we can save through IoT platform. A. Cost. B. Time. C. Privacy. D. Security. Answer B. 6. Gives users access to storage, networking, servers, and other computing resources via the cloud. A. PaaS. B. IaaS. C. SaaS. D. All of above. Answer B. 7. Manages all the services and supporting infrastructure off-site over the internet and shares it across multiple users. A. Public cloud. B. Private cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. D. None of above. Answer A. 8. 5G is the next generation of communications. A. Wireless. B. Wired. C. Both of above. D. None of above. Answer A. 9. Technology may use a variety of spectrum bands. A. To G. B. 3G. C. 4G. D. 5G. Answer D.
10 in the providers take care of security. Operating systems, server software, and backups. A. IaaS. B. PaaS. C. SaaS. D. All of above.
Answer B. 11. 1 is not characteristic of big data. Measures how the data is accurate is A. Velocity. B. Variety. C. Veracity. D. Volume. Answer C. 12. One of the following provides additional information about specific set of data. A. Unstructured data. B. Structured data. C. Metadata. D. Semi-structured data. Answer C. 13. The process of gathering, filtering, and clearing data is A. Data curation. B. Data acquisition. C. Data storage. D. Data usage.
Show answer.
14. Spark and perform which task from the following in big data life cycle with Hadoop? A. Data ingesting. B. Data processing. C. Computing and analyzing. D. Visualizing the result.
Show answer.
15. The two main components of artificial intelligence are A. Agent and environment. B. Learning and reasoning. C. Knowledge and experience. D. None of the above.
Show answer.
Next blank space.
1. Natural language processing involves analyzing and understanding and responding to it. Answer a human language.
2. ______ enables machines to use real-time images to make sense of what's around them.
Answer a computer vision. 3. Is used to find complex patterns in data for applications such as image and speech recognition. Answer deep learning. 4. Is a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of computing resources. Answer cloud computing. 5. Is about creating a natural, human-like interaction. Answer cognitive computing. 6. The new 5G networks will be able to transmit very large amounts of data, but only at a time. Answer a few blocks. 7. Machine learning is a sun field of Answer artificial intelligence. 8. Chatbot is an example of Answer a digital intelligence.
That's all I have for you today. That's all I have for you today.
Thanks for watching.